Yeah. Let's go to the right side. That's called an extension. Woman doing an extension. Is this the end of the? Yeah. Let's.
This is your photo.
Yeah. The other picture here. That's
cheaper shops, cheaper restaurants.
yeah.
Put this away, maybe.
That's I was surprised that you are. Mr. At least we know what to do next time. La Gomera, that's the same price more or less. 89. Because the lady said 80 plus or something.
90 or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they expect me to be like the Scotsman, engaging them. Yeah, some sim TV opening wide their mouth, trying to engage. See, you have a clear. That's maybe against the sun. You would have.
We go up to the yellow building and back.
Okay. We'll be returning at almost 5. Where are we going to stop for up here? Next to the Sirena or something? I say, you again, you. Oh,
it's me, she said.
Yeah, meet me. Remember that commercial in Dutch? The guy who wanted to ask his wife to marry him. Will you with me? And she said, yeah.
Before he was it on a live show or something? On Britain's Got Talent or something.
No, commercial.
He wasn't selected, but then he said, can I sing? Can I have an extra minutes? And then he asked his wife.
Yeah. They knew that,
He would have said, no, he would really have had a bad day. Look at these, Palm Island.
Yeah. I think they've made it now illegal. They've said people can only say yes in public. And like, you go left or right? Let's go right. Unless you want to walk on the wooden path.
Oh, look at all those dresses.
Yeah. That you don't wear. So. As I was saying,